Oh, well, back, ladies and gentlemen. Kind of have to get some area space. So I thought I'd give you a little routine. So me and Pterodactyl dinosaurs here is gonna do. Oh, he got them hind legs running. He got that tail moving. What else can you do? He can move his back legs. He can go move from side to side. And he can do that. He can do. And he just a trembling. He's just a trembling. Oh, number time. What do you think? Let's see how he look. He makes his stage preview. Turget the dinosaur. Say hi to the audience. And uh-oh. Feisty little fellow, isn't it? It's kind of windy out here. I don't know if you can hear me or not. Oh, he's a feisty little fella. You can. Yeah, that probably sound a lot better. I'm a lot closer. But yeah, he gonna probably be my new partner. We do a couple little live streams or something. A little short videos. Uh-oh. You gonna pounce on me? But yeah, that's him though. You can do that dance. You got that little chick going on right there like this. Yeah. But yeah, I'm having time with him out here. This is the first first time I brought him outside. Now where you going? You can't go nowhere. Hey, you. Okay. Can I go back on? Yes, that's what he did. But yeah, on location out here on the east side. Where I was at before, it was at the park down there. It's called Black Lake Park. So it was at Black Lake Park. It has a walking trails, has a nature center. You probably, if you watched my video in the past, I did a video a long time ago on it, but it's a walking trail, picnic tables, playground, things like that. Uh, and it's a nice little park. It's crowded. I want to do some more video, but people it's to get crowded around people. Like people, today is a really nice day, and people just out like flies, man. So I had to come somewhere if you want to do something without drawing so much attention. But anyway, where I'm at is not too far from the park. This used to be a plaza mall, and you see over there, it's like an old golden corral over there, like an old golden corral, and there's only like one or two businesses in this whole complex. It's like one and two out here. I can show you. Yeah, it's just one. See, as you see down there, it's all empty plaza, and this is a perfect shot to. Man, you see how windy it is? You probably hear the air in the mic, but if it wasn't windy, this would be a kind of perfect spot because I can shoot. I'm away from the airport, and two, you just gotta be worried that it don't go so high that it fly and can land on one of the top of the buildings over there. But as long as you keep at a stagnant pace. But right now, today, unfortunately, it's a real windy day. I was hoping that it would be I could do anyway. But yeah, this is we on the east side of Columbus, it's Reynoldsburg and the Pinkerton area. You know, I don't know, we got friends and relatives, and that's 70 out there. You get off at 70, go east and west, go all the way to the east, and it goes all the way to the western part, past Indiana and all that, up to I think around Indianapolis and different things. I think it continues out. That's 70 dead end. On this side of town is nothing but just basic up here. It's pretty much abandoned. There's only a few businesses left over here. All the businesses that I've done previous video on, most of the businesses is like up north, northeast, northwest. But everybody goes out there to shop and things like that. There was another little area called East Lynn, but they pretty much closed up. It did die down. It wasn't much traffic unless there's like a other than that, it's not really much out there. All that is like all different stuff. Not too many stores come out this way. I don't know why. because there's a certain residential area, but yeah, it's all a lot of stuff moved out. Like there's one or two businesses down there, one or two out of the whole plaza. It at least had to be that one with the sign with all the world, and I think there's another one down there. But that's the only businesses is in this plaza. I mean, ain't much out here. And then of course you got a couple of car lots and stuff and hardware stores over there, things like that. But ain't much out there. It probably was hopping at one time, but it's like, man, it's been like this for the past long. Corona didn't cause this. It's just been like this for since I've lived here. It probably started going down before I moved to see back in '07. But it was probably, you could tell it was hopping. But all them businesses kind of pulled up out of here all the way back, and the few that they got left is just barely probably hanging in there. You guys have here's another section of Columbus I'm at. So hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, hope see you soon and see you out. Take care.